What you running here, man?
The 4 Nightshade V3s, 15s on 4 Salt 6 days.
Yes, sir. I think I seen this online or somewhere. I think I seen it online.
Yeah.
Real clean bill, man. Everything yourself?
No, not entirely. Okay.
Yes, sir. Where can I find you on social media anywhere?
Loud and Lit on TikTok. I got a TikTok. Loud and Lit 93. Andrew Key on Facebook.
Okay.
I don't really have a YouTube or nothing.
Okay, I'm gonna try to tag you on Facebook and Instagram and places like that. TikTok. I'm sure somebody's gonna know this. It's real impressive right here, man.
I appreciate it.
That's so appreciate it, brother.
Yeah.
You get a picture? You get a picture?
Yeah, I already got it.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.